Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to change background color in Notion. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now, first thing you want to do here is you want to go to notion.so and log into your account. Now from there, you need to go to space where you want to change the background color in Notion. So here, for example, we have this section here, just click on it. And we want to add, let's say we want to say hello, just to give you an example. Now for any blocks here, just click on the dotted icon here and you'll see this pop up, and you want to go to color and you can see the background section, and from there you just need to choose the color you want to set for that specific block. As you can see, you could easily change the color by doing so, but this is only available for other blocks. But if you have like a database, like for example, let's just add a quick table here, and when we click on the dotted icon here, there's no option for color. So for this one, we'll have to use an alternative. So for example, we want to add another one. So you want to add a section that says toggle list. Just click on it, and from here, if you click on the three dotted or the dotted icons here, you'll see the color section again, and you want to choose the color. So in this example, let's just add a green here. And for you to add color into your database here or in your table, you just need to drag it in the section for toggle. And when you open up toggle here, you'll be able to see that our table or our database now has a background color. So this is the alternative one, but if you're just going to do it the ordinary way like this in here, you can just easily do it by clicking on the dotted icon, and you can change the color or background color very easily. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.